Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are well and safe at home. Dear students, in the previous video we have already seen what is a sentence and how to make a sentence. Do you remember that? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A complete sentence made up of words and arranged in a proper order. So now let's see the kinds of sentences. The kinds of sentences. There are four kinds of sentences. Which are they? First one, declarative or assertive sentence. Second one, interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. Fourth one, exclamatory sentence. There are four kinds of sentences: declarative sentence or assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now we'll start with the first one, that is declarative sentence or assertive sentence. A statement that tells us something. A statement that tells us something. That means this kind of sentence states or declares something like opinion, idea or fact. It states, it says something formally, or it declares, it announces something. For example, I went to the shop today. My name is Jasmine. Dibu is a good boy. Rita is a good girl. All these sentences declare something. It says something formal. This kind of sentence ends with full stop. Remember that this kind of sentence ends with full stop. Now we'll see the next one, interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. Question sentence is known as interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark. Please remember that it ends in a question mark. For example, is it raining? Question. What is your name? Where do you live? Where are you going? All these sentences are question sentences only. It ended with a question mark. Now we'll see the next one, imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives an order or makes a polite request. Also, it expresses good wish. It means this kind of sentence express command, request, advice, order. For example, please lower your voice. Request. Meet me at the town square. Order. Would you close the door, please? Request. Eat your lunch. Request. Have a good time at the picnic. Wishes. May you live long. Wishes. Now we'll see the last one, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses our strong feelings by making an exclamation. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses our strong feelings like our emotion, surprise, shock, appreciation, all this. It expresses our strong feelings. Also, this kind of sentence ends with exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. For example, I did it. What a fool I was. What a beautiful country. Oh my God. All these sentences express our strong feelings, emotions. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the four kinds of sentences. First one, declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence. See, declarative sentence or assertive sentence that tells something or it declares something. Next, interrogative sentence, a question sentence only. Ask a question. Next, exclamatory sentence, it shows our strong feelings. Last one, imperative sentence, it gives a command, a request, order. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood. Have a nice day. Thank you.